So today's question is page 161, question 5 of the orthographic projection 1 chapter on Discover Graphics. Okay, so we have our plan elevation and end view. Okay, so front elevation is A, plan is B, end elevation or end view is C. Okay, and a handy tip here then, just letting us know that there's two hidden lines within this answer here. Okay, just be careful again when you're doing this, looking in from the left, you draw it on the right. Okay, so our usual here now, we're going to pop in our X and Y. We're going to pop in our Y and Y. Now, when I look there, so A in the book, the question I should say is looking in from the left, so A is going over here on the right. B, the plan is always below A, so therefore C is what's left over here, alright? And our empty box then, that's our 45 degrees. Okay, so that's our 45 degrees over here. Now, starting with our elevation, alright, space of 10 millimeters away. As I said before, speeding things up, alright, when you get it a vertical height, you go up and down. Two lines drawn in for both views, done straight away. Overall length here is 110 millimeters. Okay, same thing again, you're going to bring it up and down. One movement, job done. We have our full widths done for A and B. Now, a couple of measurements along this, alright, we have 25, 20, 25, 25, and you're left with 15 then, okay? Same thing again, just going to take our heights, going to bring them up and down. Again, everything's nice and light, so it doesn't matter if there's lines kind of all over the place as such. Once you start heaving in, it'll all start to fade away. Now, our overall height here, we've a couple of heights going on here. So we have 45. And then a 20 on top of that. And we have our horizontal heights. We're going to use them both, so we're going to send them over in both. Okay, because we're going to use them for over here in our end view. And then our front over here is 20 up. 20. It just speeds the whole process now when you start to draw this in. Okay, now we'll start drawing in. Again, looking in from the left is where we're looking in here. Alright, we'll start to slowly create our shape. Alright, so I'm just joining up the lines. Again, looking at the picture, working with everything. We have a little drop down here, little trench going through there, and that is down 10 millimeters. Here we have it here, and we're going to send it over into the other one. Oh, slip this in, it's going there, sorry. Oh, that is our elevation. Alright, we'll jump into plan next. So down 10 millimeters, just giving a little bit of spacing, it stops everything being cluttered. And when we bring across these horizontals, we bring them over till they hit that 45 degree line. Alright, so the width of B is always going to be the same width as C. So that is 60. Alright. Now, over here we have a couple of measurements there. We have 20, 20, and 20, which is on the front. Take that height, bring it across. That's it then. Just joining it up now. Creating our shape. This is the beauty of having already brought down our lines, our vertical lines. Just makes things much faster. Finally, it's up top here, there's a little piece passing through here. So 2 outside slopes, inside is going to be flat. Alright, that is our plan. Alright, and now everything that's hitting our 45-degree line, we are just projecting that vertically up. So we've everything here we need. We just need to heavy them in. Okay, that is our end view there, going to be just heavied in now. Vertical heights first, vertical portions there. See that fully across it is. It's an end view. Now this whole object isn't actually completed yet. There's 2 things missing from it, and that is our hidden detail. So hidden detail is just representing information that is seen in 2 views and not seen in the other view. So the likes of this, we have a portion chopped out here. So we have it as a horizontal line here. We can see it's chopped out here, so where it starts, where it ends, but we can't see it up in elevation. So therefore, it must be, this is our width here, this is the bottom part here, so it must be there, so we must represent that. And we represent that with a dotted line. Alright? Same thing again, we have a trench taken out in elevation. We can see how wide the trench is, how deep it is here, how wide it is here, but we can't see it over there. We have the width of it broad around and up. The depth is what's missing. So this trench as well goes the whole way through, start to finish. Alright, that is page 161, question 5, okay, of the orthographic.